Thank you for purchasing the One4All Smart Streamer Universal Remote Control. The remote can control up to 3 activities consisting of 5 devices. To set up the remote, firstly please download the My Nevo app. This app communicates with the remote using Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE. Once the app has located your remote, you can follow the instructions to set it up to control your audio-video devices. We recommend setting up your TV first of all. You can then add other devices such as set-top boxes and soundbars. You can set up one TV and one audio device and up to 3 other devices that you use as a source of your viewing content, for example a streaming box, satellite or cable, or a Blu-ray player. When you set these up, the remote will also do a quick test to see which HDMI input of your TV your source devices are connected to. If you need to change channels using the digit keys, just press the 1, 2, 3 button on the bottom right, and the playback keys will shift into being the digits. Press this key again to change back to the playback keys. The Smart Streamer can control most devices via infrared, but uniquely it can also control Amazon Fire Sticks, also using Bluetooth Low Energy. The remote features 3 app shortcut keys, which will give you direct access to your favourite streaming apps, such as Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. The Smart Streamer uses activities for control. An activity can contain up to 3 devices, a TV, a source device, and an audio device such as a soundbar. And a good example of an activity is Watch TV. If, for example, you set up a TV, an Amazon Fire Stick, and a soundbar, the remote will control all of these. Pressing the Watch TV key will turn on these 3 devices and select the right input on your TV. The remote will remember which devices are powered on, and pressing the power key will turn them all off at once.